I'm going to show you how to use the new object selection tool in Photoshop CC 2020 to quickly select people, animals, or other objects in your photos. First of all, create a blank sheet, and you can select sizes as your wish. Then select the image which you want to cut, and drag it into the Photoshop. Then click on the selection tool icon. And Object Selection Tool lets you identify the subject yourself, just by drawing a rough selection around it. Start by drawing your initial selection. The default rectangle mode usually works best. I'll draw a rectangular selection around the child. Once you have surrounded the object with your selection outline, release your mouse button. Photoshop analyzes the area within the selection, and after a few seconds, it shrink wraps the outline around the object. You'll want to zoom in and scroll around the object looking for problems with the selection. The Object Selection tool is brand new as of Photoshop CC 2020.